Rachel, the car died. I gotta go check it.
Oh my
It died
God,
again. I'm sorry.
now?
I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Now?
Let me go check the hood. I can't get it, Rachel. Can you help me?
Yeah.
I have to check and see what's wrong.
I
I did, but look, it's the transmission again, Rachel.
Oh my
I can't do
God.
anything about this.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
I don't even know, Rachel.
Hold on.
Rachel?
Check your phone. Do you have service? Do you have?
I have nothing. It's dead.
I don't even have service.
I don't have anything.
Oh my God. What are we gonna do?
I'm-
We're in the middle of nowhere.
We are in the middle of nowhere, and it's like
We're not even halfway there.
I don't know. Okay,
Okay.
Rachel, there's a house over there. I'm gonna go check the house. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yes. There's people there. They can help us.
You want me to come with you?
No, you have to stay here. You stay here with the car. Okay? Okay? You're gonna be fine.
I'll wait for people.
You're gonna be fine. Okay.
Be careful.
I will. Oh, don't worry, Rachel. Bye, Rachel. Who are you? What is this? What? What are you doing?
Janelle? Janelle? Come on, you gotta get up. Oh my God, let's go. Leg. Janelle, we have to get out of here. We have to get out.